using his good office and highlighting certain issues and sentiments of the people of Goa about this insensitive BJP government. The Honorable Governor gave us a patient hearing and he said that he would write to the Honorable Chief Minister about the memorandum that we submitted. दोन मुद्दे आशिल्ले. एक मुट्टें जे सेन्सस ही सर्वे जावपाक जाय इमिजिएट and second is communal disharmony. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जेन्ना ST SC आनी OBC हो इश्यू जेन्ना आमी ऑपोजिशनान विधानसभेन गेलो की एक आमचे ST SC आनी OBC भावाचेर एक अन्याय जाता आनी ताबडतोब सरकारान जो अन्याय जाता जे रेप्रेजेंटेशन ते ऑर्गनायझेशनाक सरकाराक दिला गव्हर्मेंटाचे वॉट दे हॅव गिवन हेजेर तेमी घेवन ते कांयच मुखार हेजें कांयच मुखार कोण दवरना. फकत हेमी जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आहा विच इज अ भारतीय जुमला पार्टी जुमलाबाजी करपाक नंबर 1. They had assured us, I believe it was जेन्ना बाब क्रुजान एक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घातलेलें त्या वेळार आमकां अश्योर केलेलें एक डेलिगेशन घेवन ते वयतले दिल्ली वयतले बट दॅट लेटर केम इन द नेगेटीव. नाव जे ST SC and OBC जे कम्युनिटी they have threatened that they would boycott the parliamentary elections. And yesterday, 2 days ago, जे बिहारांत the Bihar government has released census with regarding the states जे ST EBC OBC जे population ha general category they have raised they've given these figures out. The same formula we have requested the Honorable Governor that the Chief Minister tabortop tene korpak jay. The Bihar government has spent about 500 crores. They have a population of 13 crores 20 lakhs and they have spent 9 months doing it. Goa has a population of 15 lakhs, which is 1.20% of Bihar's population. And with the government officials or with the strength, if we compare both Bihar and Goa, this census can be done within 6 crores rupees and within 3 months. Immediately, the state government should act rather than fooling the people. Immediately, जे केंद्र सरकार डिक्लेअर करता हे केंद्र सरकारान इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक जाय. इम्प्लिमेंट करतासो जेन्ना वुमन रिजर्वेशनाचो इश्यू जालो दे हॅव सेड दॅट दे वूड गिव देम रिजर्वेशन एज वेल. केन्ना जातले हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता. वॉट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इज दॅट दिस सेन्सस शूड बी प्लेस्ड. वी डिमांड दॅट there is a census placed in 2012 that could also be used. It could be implemented. But this government is not serious. They are playing with the sentiments of the ST, SA, OBC people. Ami speakera lagi maglele. And all the people in the opposition spoke in favor of this reservation. We welcome the women reservation, but when will it be implemented? This government is only playing with the sentiments of the people of Goa, and we are with the ST, SC, OBC people, and we are with them. We will fight together with them. Regarding the communal disharmony, जे आज गोंयान घडटा आनी जेन्ना इलेक्शनाचो वेळ येता हे सगळें communal disharmony, you can see this. It is not a new thing, but today the situation is gone from bad to worse. It is shocking that when we discuss these issues in the Legislative Assembly, these tainted elements or anti-social elements were seen in the lobby of the Legislative Assembly. Ruling आमदार म्हणटाले ब्लॅक कोट मनीस भोंवताय मग पूण हेय मनीस जे एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट आहाय हेय भोंवताले. टुडे जी कम्युनल हार्मनी आमगेली गोंयकारांगेली एक आयडिया. We being a touristic place, we cannot afford to set an example. So we need to nip the culprit from its bud. This needs to happen immediately. Proactive measures needs to be taken. We have briefed the Honorable Governor that he briefs the Honorable Chief Minister. The Honorable Chief Minister warns the people that if you make such statements, then it will not be taken easy. I believe that the Honorable Chief Minister should first practice what he preaches. He was speaking about colonial mindset. This concept to divide was started by this government. To divide and rule. But we unitedly, in Goa's interest, we have decided that we are all going to be together. We will not allow this communal disharmony to happen.
What governor has shared?
No, see, governor has said that he will look into it. He would write to the chief minister about it, and the STSC thing is something that is a long pending demand, and they can do it. तांकां STSC भावांक फोटो इथाय मरे त्या फोटो ऑफ कितू पासून चलतले. नाउ बिहार has given an example. You implement it. अरे जे स्कीम आहे, ओ जे जॉब आहे, और एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन आहे. Let it go. It all depends on data. What data does the state government has? Has no data. So collect the data. Bihar has done it in 9 months. You can do it in 3 months. Collect the data so that government schemes are implemented scientifically with data, right, rather than going blind.
Opposition leader, all MLAs are together. All opposition are together.
See, you can't. What is the
One is missing.
See, we are all united. I have always been saying, let us not divide ourselves. I am not here to divide. I am not here to comment about any other political parties. We are all together as opposition. We fought. I request you all as well. Please do not divide us. We are now that you can possibly ask him. We are all united. I'll tell you, we are all united.
But last time he only had given the bite saying that there is no united opposition.
So that now you can see all the political parties are here. Where is the question? So you can ask that.
No, but Vijay
Whenever.
खबरूच ना म्हणता विजय अब वचपाचे आसा म्हणून.
Baba, Vijaya, let us not divide ourselves. All of us are united.
तुम्ही विजयाक सांगलेले सर.
See, all are invited and all are here and we are all united over
Vijay
here.
is there
He
with
was
you.
invited and he didn't come sir.
See, all who are here are all united.
विजय म्हणता आपल्या खबरूच ना काय सांगूकूच ना म्हणता सर.
Baba, आम्ही युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन कळलो का
तो ऑपोजिशनान ना आता विजय ना
ना तो युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन किती जाता you I just heard him saying that he's not part of the united opposition. He's saying no, opposition is not united. Anta त्याने सांगेल मरे. So we are all united is what I'm saying, and it is high time we get united. Why should we equidistance ourselves? We have to be together. We have to fight for Goa and Goans. I cannot single-handedly win Goa. We have to work together. RG also understands it. Aam Aadmi Party also understands it. TMC also understands it. Shiv Sena also understands it. Congress also understands it. So everyone needs to understand it.